Hello, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati, face yoga expert. I am doing face yoga from many years, and guess what? I found a beautiful result with face yoga. Face yoga is a combination of exercise, acupressure, massage and breathing exercises. Face yoga brings youthful vitality in our skin that make us look younger, attractive, beautiful. I have written several articles on face yoga and authored a book, Miracle of Face Yoga, which is available in market. 5 benefits of doing face yoga. It helps to increase blood circulation. It helps to reduce wrinkle, strengthen and tone your facial muscle. Very good to release our stress. We all are holding unexpected stress. It helps to reduce it. And very good for lifting your facial fat up. Let's do one exercise. We are doing squeeze pose. Hold your face. Release. Inhale. Release. Inhale. Release. 57 muscles will get contracted, blood circulation will improve, it allows more oxygen to get in. There are 84 exercises for our face. So if you like it, do join our 3 days face yoga trial. Thank you.